I've picked the hottest time of the year to do this, but I'm going to start working on Clifford. Let's get started. Just gonna take this one step at a time. I think it's like, oh my God. There's a bee. Of course there's a bee. What was I saying? Why is that such a horrible angle? Holy fuck, that hurt. Alright. Blow off valve line off. There is nothing there, just gotta take this off. Of course. So oh my lord. I need a shorter one. 7/16. Where art thou, 7/16? Okay. All of these clamps are 7/16. I need a new clamp. This one is pretty messed up. There we go. Just had to finesse it off. Oh, IET sensor. Alright, take off the rest of the piping. This will go on there. This thing is so nifty. And take off the this whole intake because this turbo is going to not be right here. For the next setup, it is going to be where my fog light would be on the passenger side. Okay. So, current location of the turbo. Next setup, it's going to be like right here, underneath the headlight, which is going to be really cool. I need to actually rebuild these because there's cat hair inside of them, which shouldn't surprise anyone, considering how many cats I have. This side is going to stay the same. The intercooler piping on this side is going to be completely different. There is a bee. The turbo is basically going to be right here. Right now it's up there, as you can see it, right here. We're gonna move it right here. So I'm gonna keep the intercooler on. I should not have a problem using this intercooler. If I do, I'm gonna see if I can use a coupler or a coupling that has the right bend to it. I'm not really sure what this bend is going to look like. Oh my god, this bee! This bee is trying to build its house underneath the skyline. That is not a good spot, buddy. All right, like I was saying, so the bend, not sure what that's gonna look like yet. I haven't got the setup from B&M Performance, B&M Fab yet. That is in the works. As far as the oil cooler lines that are right here, hopefully you can see that in the video. They might have to be moved or shortened. I'm not really sure how the turbo being here is going to affect the oil cooler lines. Hopefully it's not going to affect them very much. I'd prefer not to have to do anything to these, but of course, if we have to, then we have to. So we'll figure it out then. The next thing we will do is take off this pipe, which is hooked to the bottom of the turbo. What do we need? We need a screwdriver, flathead to get this clamp off. Okay, that's pretty much off. Okay, sweet. Cool. Okay, so I had to end my video a bit early there because I'm just being harassed by bees. But so far on Clifford, I got all of the intercooler piping off and the strut tower, or the strut tower brace. So yeah, slowly but surely. It's hot as fuck outside, so I'm trying to take this slow. And anyways, I'm not in any rush to get Clifford done. It's just gonna get done when it gets done.